I am Brian Emshoff. I work for Dabney Trucking out of Dixon, Illinois. We do just about everything. We got hopper work. A lot of our work is bottle, propane, anhydrous, stuff like that. We do belt trailer work. A lot of tank work with liquid fertilizer. Mostly regional Midwest. But occasionally in the wintertime when stuff gets slow around, we venture out a little further. So this truck is Kenworth W900L model. It's a 2025. The trailer's a 2025 Wilson Commander. Motor's 565, 1850 torque, X15. It has been on the road 2 weeks. It's got less than 5,000 miles on it. Custom paint job, it came from factory with it was all orange when it started. And then when it came back from factory, they put the gray on it, and then it went in for custom pinstriping, all free-handed and everything. As soon as it came back home from the shop, it got the custom deck plate, eye-bar, a few other things we do all in-house. All the fabricating's done in-house, the paint work, lights, all the lights on here custom in-house, and they're all Trucks lights, is what all the melons and the buttons are. I have the only truck with the mini bunk. The rest of the guys all have mid-roof sleepers, the 63, 72-inch stand-ups. We have a couple studios, but yeah, this is the only one we have that's the mini bunk. Originally, it was going to be part of our tow truck division. And then when I got hired on, it got merged over to me because I'm kind of the local guy. So I don't mind staying out every now and then. So I don't need a huge bunk.